floods a Coruña, so the population has to move to the metropolitan area. To encourage those few that refuse to leave their homes, the government decrees the zero zone and cuts down all the supplies. However, those few survive with careful businesses that attract tourism when the tide lows, or recovering things that had been stuck deep down. Sienna is in this last group, and she knows well how to take the most of the new situation. One day, she is seeking for customers. She bumps by chance with Ramon, an old boyfriend. Ramon is a policeman that is spending his vacations at the town with some colleagues from work. He invites her to sit at their table, and again, by chance, he brings out the treasure of the Universal Savings Bank thing. The legend of the treasure of the Universal Savings Bank says that in the basement of the head office of the Universal Savings Bank, there is a strong room full with loads and loads of money, waiting for someone to go for them. Sienna laughs. She says it's a story for tourists. But Ramon insists and insists until Sienna falls into going to check it. You can listen to the whole story in deep down in all the podcast sites: Apple, Google, iVoox, Anchor,